Alright, if you want to use your R&R water pump bearing puller with the roller tamer, you're going to need only the shank portion of the puller. Normal setup is with the right hand bracket with the bottom leg pointing right. What you're going to need to do is flip it so the bottom leg is pointing left. Tighten the bracket. Insert the 1 5/8 tapered insert. Retainers. Roller. Puller shank. 1/4 inch pin. Turn it horizontal. Puller bridge with the bottom leg pointing left. Now you're going to need the short standoffs as opposed to the long standoffs that you would normally use if you're using our pullers. Push one of the retainers out with one of the standoffs. I'm going to use a coarse threaded jacking nut. I'm going to hold the puller shank from rotating with this 1 1/8 inch wrench that I have on the original nut, which I've cut in half and I have secured to the puller shank. Bearing is out.